Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you our activity book 7 for the month of April. So kids, just look at this and you will learn another set of sounds for our new book in Jolly Phonics. And today is Thursday, April 2. It's a sunny day outside. We would like to go out, but next just only in your backyard with moms or dads. And don't go out because stay safe at home. So listen to Teacher Arlene as I'm going to show you what are the sounds that we are going to learn for today and for the next week. Okay, these are the sounds. We have another 6 sound sets for the book number 7. And this sound says k, k. Ow, ow. This one is oi, oi. This one says here is you, you. Can you follow? Say you, you. Like your finger, you point your fingers on your person's in front of you. Say you. This one is for mixer. And this one is R. So can you repeat again the 6 sounds? Repeat after me. Say k, k. Ow. Like when you have a needle and they poke to your finger and you say ow, ow. This one is oi, oi. Next is say you, you. There you go. We make it big. You, you. Another one is and the last one is say R. There you go. I'm going to show you later for our Finger Phonics Big Book with a storyline inside. So just sit down and listen to Teacher Arlene. Okay? See you for a while.